In this video, I will show you how you can use Plus500 demo account. So first thing you need to do is open up your Plus500 website. And once you open this website, you will find this option, try free demo. You just need to tap on this option. Then you just need to enter your email address and password and then click on this create demo account. And then it will send a verification code to your email. You just have to enter that verification code. And once you do that, your demo account will be created. And then you can simply trade in futures just like you do in your live account. So once you have your trading account or your demo account open up, you can simply switch to the demo account by clicking on this option. So if you click on this option, it will switch to the demo account. Sorry, this second option, make sure it has been labeled as demo mode. After that, you can simply search for any futures that you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy S&P 500, you can search S&P 500 in the search bar and select it from here. Then you can simply select the buy or sell option from here and then enter the numbers of contracts, order type, and then you can also use stop loss trailing stop or take profit option from here, and then simply click on this place buy order button. So that is how you can use the demo account on your Plus500. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.